with the name of Almighty Allah, who is the most merciful and kind. This is me, Muhammad Umar Qureshi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today, I hope everyone will be fine, everyone will be good. We start some days ago. We start crash course. So today is class number 13. So today we discuss about each other simple future tense. Simple future tense. What is by the meaning of simple future tense? Simple means sada, future means mustaqbil, tense means zamana. So we have already in Indian language we have only three tenses. Look at पहले हाल, पहले माजी, पहले मुस्तकबिल. मुस्तकबिल पहले माजी पहले हाल. पहले हाल is used for past. पहले हाल is used for present and पहले मुस्तकबिल is used for simple future tense. What is simple future tense? We find that it shows an action that something will happen in the future. Something will take place in the future. Like near and far away. Near and far. Near means like story there but recently. For example, I will perform nuclear, I will go to school. It's near. And far, I will be a doctor. I will be a mechanic. I will be go to my uncle's home. Like it's used for far away. For example, I will go to school. मैं स्कूल जाऊंगा. I हमारे पास subject है. Where my पास is the letter word. Go to is verb. School object and sentence. We have already three structures: positive structure, negative structure, and interrogative structure. What is positive structure? Positive structure: subject plus when plus first form of verb plus rest of the sentence. Short form of rules. Abbreviation like S abbreviation. S abbreviation. Abbreviation. It's like abbreviation. Abbreviation means short form. Shorter form. So for negative structure, subject verb plus not plus first form of verb plus rest of the sentence. Rest of sentence goes short form. Abbreviation. Abbreviation हमारे पास. Interrogative structure verb plus subject plus first form of verb plus rest of the sentence. So subject plus verb plus first form of verb and rest of the sentence. For example, I will go to school, I will perform the prayer, I will teach you, I will take classes, I will start fresh course, I will go to my uncle's home, I will go to the English conference, I will go to the madrasa, I will go to the stadium, cricket stadium, I will go to Qatar, I will be go to Qatar, I will be go to London, I will be go to Saudi Arabia perform the Hajj, perform the Umrah. So it's like positive structure. Negative structure we have second one negative structure. Subject plus when plus not plus first form of verb plus rest of the sentence. For example, I will not go to school. I will not go to school. I will not perform the prayer. I will not teach you. I will not learn English. I will not slap him. I will not go to the university for English. I will not go to London. I will not go to America. I will not go to Saudi Arabia. So what? Perform the Hajj. I will not teach him. I will not slap him. तो इसे हम नेगेटिव स्ट्रक्चर है. Interrogative. Will I slap him? Will I perform the prayer? Will I go to school? Will I go to London? Will I go to America? Will I go to London? Will I go to Saudi Arabia? Or perform the Hajj? Will I slap him? Will I open the fan? Will I make something new. Will I eat dinner? Will I do breakfast? वैसे हम इंट्रोडक्शन स्ट्रक्चर कहते हैं। वैसे हम इधर तक हमारा टॉपिक can you get my point? Understanding. Very good, students. So this is my topic. My topic is finished. If anybody has related to this topic, like class 1 to class 3, 13, if anybody have questions, you can ask me in comment box and related to this topic, related to other topic, part of speech. If you have anybody question, you can ask me in comment box and kindly like my channel, follow my page, and wish you best of luck. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.